GPC installment.
Okay.
Get your GPC now.
What is something you're hooked to? Teach your man how to fish and
Teach your man how to fish and cook it.
a good catch.
I'm different. My skin look good.
Ooh,
I look
okay.
good.
So you know her skin catch, so she got good skin.
I ain't even
She
big
do.
though, but
I mean, couldn't tell.
Nah, just good positive energy. I'm always the mother in the situation, trying to tell everybody,
What is something you're hooked to?
Myself. I'm hooked to my peace, my silence, my sanity, and I'm hooked to my truth. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you're not getting hooked to my truth, then I mean, it's not gonna work out. So,
Okay, what makes you a good catch?
Good catch. Damn, you see I wasn't ready for that. I said this, I wasn't
That's
ready.
the point. That's the point.
Alright, what's up?
Real
Yeah,
answer,
I got
real
dreads.
answer.
I got dress.
Okay, why does that make you a good catch?
Alright. You can get jewelry in a day. You can get drip in a day. You can't grow dreads in a day.
Dedication.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Time and dedication.
You can't fake it.
a hard one.
What makes you a good catch?
What makes me a good catch? Man.
Don't be lying on camera.
I don't lie, ain't no cap, you feel me? Put your hands out so you can catch this, you feel me? I'm a hustler, man, nigga be grinding, you feel me?
You think you're the only one that hustles? That's what make you a catch? I said, you think you're the only one that hustles?
Oh, nah, but I'm the only one that do it right, you feel me? But what else
okay.
say again?
What is your favorite piece from the collection and why?
I have to pick one.
One, only one.
Piece. It'll be the best.
Why?
Because it's like, it's an essential item. And like, you can wear it with any damn thing. Literally.
Okay.
Go to the grocery store, you can go to the gym, put your music, you can go any fucking where with that shit, man.
Okay. Teach a man how to fish.
The ones you have?
Got yellow.
The ones you have?
Eat for a lifestyle.
There you go.
I'm from the country, man. Teach a man how to fish.
Teach a man how to fish and what?
Look at my watch. Look at my hip.
Ooh.
Swagger really drips.
Okay.
Oh, okay. All right. All right.
And what is something you're hooked to?
Music.
Okay. What makes you a good catch?
Make me a good catch. I'm that boy. You feel me?
Okay.
Yeah.
What does
I
that
got
mean?
the confidence.
You think you're the only one that boy?
You feel me? Yeah. I'm one of a kind. You feel me?
One of a kind.
Yeah. You feel me?
What is your favorite piece from the collection?
Depends, because it's like, if I feel like wearing shorts, I can wear shorts, you know what I'm saying? And then when I tell, people that you could make it shorts, they're like, oh, and it's
You're
like,
a 2-for-1 deal.
you know what I'm saying?
It's a
It's a
steal.
talking point. So, if I'm in a place and I like a little something who I'm talking to, you feel me? You do a little flick of the wrist and then,
Okay.
you know what I'm saying? It's magnetism.
Okay. And then, what does the acronym GPC stand for to you?
To me, I would say Good People Collective.
Why?
Good people. We're good people.
Okay, cool.
You know,
I feel
she's good people.
yeah, that's a good hard ass question. I probably need to type some shit on my phone. Grind,
Okay. Okay.
perfection.
Okay.
Damn, I gotta get another word.
One more.
Something C.
Some C. Fucking confidence.
We need that.
All right now.
We need a lot of that.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, GPC. Oh, I'm about to bust a
on, man.
freestyle right quick.
Go ahead.
Oh, y'all want me to bust a free?
Go ahead.
I mean, do you?
I said, fuck it. I'm gonna get adjusted. They say I'm kind of bad, baby. I'm corrupted. They say they got time. Well, let's get them adjusted. I fix the building like it's construction. Nigga got a train of thoughts that's conducting. And I don't want to talk about the bass that's percussion.